Hey, and welcome to my channel. So you probably already read the description of this video. So I'm just gonna add in the hashtags and everything because it's a mouthful here. And it's a tablescape, as you already know. And hosts are Event, Decor and Designs by Leasha. And co-hosts, Debby Bubbles, Diva Decorating, Elle's Place, Glam Queen of DIY, Lovemybabies Forever, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Sister Cousin's Lifestyle. Sorry for checking that. So let's do this tablescape. So this is what I'm starting out with. As you can see, it's a little bit realness here. I'm gonna save the Valentine's Day because that fits in with today's theme, and then I'm gonna clean up some things. So I'm checking in with you a little while. So first I have this tablecloth. That's actually not a tablecloth, it's a curtain. So one side has this, and I think that's kind of cute. So now I added back the runner and the tier tray. And this cloth I actually bought thrifting at the end of 2019, so after Christmas, or if maybe it was at the end of the Christmas weekend, but yeah, after. So this is me getting some more use out of the Christmas plates, but I've chosen the more summery motifs here. This is Mickey with his friends on his camping vacation. So I have the salad plate and the food plate of those, and then the second motif is Baloo and Bagheera with Mowgli. And the same there. And I even have these little things I'm gonna put on. They're supposed to be espresso coffee mugs, but they're so tiny, so I thought they would be dessert ones. So now this is my tablescape, and as you can tell, I pretty much kept a lot from Valentine's, with the addition of the flowers I got for Valentine's from my boyfriend. And since these have little hearts on, they're staying just a little bit more. So let's give you a look from the other side. So this is the end side. And so, and yes, I put them on one side because I thought that actually looks better for this version. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Now hang on for the story of why this matters for me. So why was this heart health month collaboration important for me? Well, let's back up the tape before I even started this channel. And all the bad years. Because I'm so trying not to cry right now. In 2017, I lost my sister due to sudden heart problems, and we all was really surprised and shocked and already in mourning, because we had 2 months hardly. Earlier lost my brother to cancer. So I think she died of broken heart because of that. But never mind. That's what I think. So that's the one big reason why I wanted to do this Go Red for Hearthealth tablescape. And I was actually trying to film this last year once. And I just couldn't do it. It was, I guess, too early for me or something. So I wish I had found the picture I wanted to use to show you her here, but I don't have it. I don't know where it's gone. Maybe at my parents' house. But so this is for her. And if my nieces and nephews, her kids, are watching this, then I hope I didn't surprise you too much for this. And for you that stayed to the end, I'm not going to repeat what probably everyone else is going to say about going to health checkups and all of that. But if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. It's the best thing, I think. Or a comment. And if you like this kind of content, then just consider to subscribe at least. So yeah, this it's a bit hard one. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.